Patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. Joyce Meyer. Behind every young child who believes in themselves is a parent who was patient enough to believe first. Unknown. Dear parents, have you ever found yourself yelling, sighing, or walking out of the room in frustration when your child just won't listen, won't sit still, or just won't stop asking why? You're not alone. Parenting is one of the most rewarding roles in the world, but also one of the most emotionally demanding. The truth is, your child is not trying to push your buttons. They're trying to grow, and that growth can be loud, messy, and unpredictable. But your response to that chaos, your patience, will shape their self-esteem, their trust in you, and even their brain development. So the big question is, how do we become more patient with our children, even on the hardest days? Stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll learn what patience really means in parenting, why patience is developmentally essential for your child, scientific facts about how your brain and your child's brain respond to stress, practical, proven techniques to help you stay calm, connected, and consistent, even when emotions run high. Encouragement that reminds you you're doing better than you think. Section 1. Why patience matters in parenting. Let's start with science. Child brain development and patience. A child's brain isn't fully developed until their mid-20s. The part that controls reasoning, impulse control, and emotional regulation, the prefrontal cortex, is still under construction. So when your child throws a tantrum in the grocery store or refuses to wear matching socks, they're not being manipulative. They're learning how to handle big feelings, and they need a calm adult to model it. Every time you respond patiently, you help build their emotional resilience, their ability to self-regulate, and their trust in relationships. Did you know, a study by the University of California found that children who experienced patient, calm parenting had higher academic success, better social skills, and lower anxiety rates by adolescence. Section 2. What is patience really? Patience is not passive. It's not pretending you're okay or stuffing down anger. Patience is emotional strength in motion. It's choosing to regulate yourself before trying to regulate your child. It's saying, I'm going to respond with understanding instead of frustration because I care more about connection than control. Section 3. Scientifically proven strategies to become a more patient parent. 1. Pause before you react. Train your brain with the 3-second rule. When your child does something upsetting, count 1, 2, 3 silently before you speak. This pause helps your amygdala, the brain's emotional alarm system, cool down and gives your logical brain a chance to take over. Neuroscience tip. This small pause activates your parasympathetic nervous system, calming your heart rate and reducing cortisol, the stress hormone. 2. Breathe deep, together. Try this quick exercise with your child. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4 counts. Exhale for 4 counts. Do this 3 times. Teach your child this as a tool to calm down and model it yourself when you're getting upset. Bonus, when you practice deep breathing with your child, you're co-regulating. This teaches them how to calm themselves over time. 3. Understand the why behind the behavior. Instead of thinking, they're being difficult, try, they're having a difficult moment. This small shift in mindset brings empathy and reduces anger. Harvard researchers found that when parents reframed misbehavior as unmet needs, their patience levels increased by over 40%. 4. Use time in instead of time out. When your child is dysregulated, they need you close, not away. A time in means sitting with them, helping name their feelings, and offering calm presence. Say, I see you're upset. I'm right here. We can figure this out together. This builds emotional intelligence and your bond. 5. Take care of yourself. First, patience is a muscle, and tired, overwhelmed parents can't flex that muscle well. Make rest and emotional nourishment a priority. Sleep, journaling, support groups, therapy, 5 minutes of quiet time per day. Remember, a regulated parent raises a regulated child. Section 4. Encouragement for you. Parenting is not about perfection, it's about presence. It's not about having all the answers. It's about having a heart that's willing to learn and grow with your child. You will mess up, you'll lose your temper sometimes. But every time you choose to try again, to apologize, to slow down, to hug, you're planting seeds your child will carry for life. So next time your child is crying, yelling, or even testing your patience, take a deep breath, look at them with kind eyes, and remind yourself, this is not a moment to control, it's a moment to connect. Because patience is not just for them, it's a gift you give to yourself.